Hi, I'm Melanie from the Pelham Public Library. Today we are going to be making hot chocolate bombs together. These are a fun and delicious twist on an old classic. Here is just one example of what your final hot chocolate bomb will look like, but you can be creative and make all kinds of different combinations. In your kit from the Pelham Public Library, you have a number of items that we have given you to be able to create these bombs. First of all, you have your stainless steel mold, your cupcake liner and some marshmallows, some milk chocolate chips, but you can use semi-chocolate chip or any other kinds that you want, and some add-ons such as peppermint bark or sprinkles or anything else that you'd like inside. You're going to also need a couple of spoons, a microwavable bowl, your microwave and fridge. And you're going to take the chocolate chips that we have provided. It's approximately about 4 to 5 teaspoons of chocolate chips, and you're going to put those into your bowl. Then we're going to take this bowl and put it into the microwave. You will be melting the chocolate chips in your microwave for approximately 30 seconds. So this is what your melted hot chocolate mix should look like, your chocolate chips. And if you need a little bit longer, put it back in the microwave and stir. Next step, you're going to need to get your stainless steel mold that we have provided you. Using a spoon and your stainless steel mold, dollop the melted chocolate 3/4 of the way around your mold. You want to completely cover all of the edges and the bottom so no stainless steel is showing through. A note here, you're going to want to leave some melted hot chocolate left over in the bowl so we can use it to cover the back at the end. You can also swirl the hot chocolate melted chips in the bowl to help, but using the back of your spoon works wonderful. When you are satisfied that all of the chocolate is covering your mold 3/4 of the way up the sides, you will then be placing it into the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes or until the chocolate is firm. Here is your mold taken out of the fridge and your chocolate. Take your hot chocolate packet that we have provided with you and a spoon, and you are going to fill your mold 3/4 full with your hot cocoa mix. So that's 3/4 of the chocolate in the mold. You want to smooth it out and maybe create a little bit of a divot in the center because we are going to add our fun treats. I've chosen to use marshmallows, but you can add chocolate or caramel or any other type of chippets that you would like. Continue to cover your mold so it's 3/4 up the sides. Again, smoothing it out, patting it down so you have a flat surface to work with. Next, you're going to take the remaining chocolate that you saved and reheated to spoon out and pour over to seal the back of your hot chocolate bomb. Pushing it out from the center to the sides making a nice smooth back. Once the back of the chocolate bomb is filled with chocolate and it is nice and smooth, you are going to take the mold and put it back into the fridge for approximately 30 minutes again, or until the chocolate is set. Take your cupcake liner and use your hands to warm the stainless steel bowl, slightly squeezing around the edges. This will help warm the chocolate slightly and will also allow the chocolate to release itself from the stainless steel bowl. As you can see, easy peasy. You can place your mold in your cupcake liner and leave it as is, or you can decorate your hot chocolate bomb. You can use different types of icings of different colors. You can use different types of sprinkles that can be found at any store or online, or just leave it plain. Today I'm going to use the red icing just to jazz it up a little bit. I'm dribbling the icing across the entire bomb. Just back and forth. This would also be equally delicious if you used another color of a melted chocolate. And I always like to add a little finishing touch, so here I'm using some peppermint bark pieces. And this is it. Here is your hot chocolate bomb. Now all you have to do is take a mug, heat up some hot milk, put the bomb in a cup, and pour it over the bomb and enjoy. Thank you for joining us today for our hot chocolate bombs. See you soon.